it's Monday, and then yeah, start of the work at home, and then of course with the situation right now about COVID-19, and just following social distancing. So I guess you need to be busy aside from the work from your company, of course. You need to do other things. So right now, today, actually I started it already a few days, but I continue to do some gardening. Yeah, I'll just show you what are the things I have done just for an hour. For the hour, so of course that's not good also to do gardening for hours because it's the summer and then you have work to do. It's work at home, right? So this is just a break. And then what I've done so far is yeah, I'm just gathering soil so that I can have more, and then because I'm having problems looking for soil because the house is basically made of concrete. And then good, I have some, and then I can still get more. And then this one I will replant in to horizontal pots, so it means that I need to buy a few more pots. And then you can see here that plants already done, which I did a while ago, so I just let them stay for maybe a week or two before placing them at the place or area which would be befitting. So I still have more work to do. Thanks for the time, and I hope you enjoyed it.